LLM analysis results. The provided system description for the Musical Mind Network, MMN, outlines a sophisticated architecture designed to model and generate multidimensional thought, drawing heavily on concepts from neural networks, dynamical systems, and multimodal integration. As an F0Z framework specialist, it is clear that this system, by its very nature, is replete with various forms of circular dependencies, feedback loops, and self-referential aspects, which are critical to its intended functionality and also pose significant challenges. Here is an analysis of the identified circularities. #### analysis of circularities in the Musical Mind Network, MMN. 1. Dynamical state evolution. Internal first-order feedback loop. Description. The core of the MMN's dynamic interaction is defined by the recursive update rule for the state vector $math x equals x_h, x_r, x_t, x_d, x_e, $math x_t plus 1 equals \math x_t plus \delta t \dot text nn \math x_t \theta $. This mechanism explicitly states that the current multidimensional cognitive state $math x_t directly influences and determines the change that leads to the subsequent state $math x_t plus $1. The system explicitly notes, this system captures feedback loops, such as emotion-boosting harmony or rhythm-modulating texture. Implications. This is a fundamental positive feedback loop responsible for the temporal evolution and continuity of the MMN's internal thought process. Stability and instability depending on the function $f \math x_t \theta or the neural network NNS internal dynamics. This loop can lead to stable, coherent trajectories of thought, e.g., a narrative maintaining its flow, or, if unchecked, to oscillatory, chaotic, or runaway states, e.g., thought patterns spiraling out of control or fixating on a single idea. Emergent dynamics complex, nonlinear interactions within this loop are the source of emergent cognitive patterns, such as the blending of emotions with logical flow or the spontaneous generation of novel ideas based on prior states. Temporal coherence this loop is essential for maintaining consistency and progression over time in generated outputs, e.g., text with coherent rhythm and emotion, or music with evolving harmony.